Going. Chinese Dream. Made in China 2025. Going provides high standard, precision, and high quality products. We are deeply engaged in the equipment manufacturing industry with our professional technical team. The company focuses on intelligent manufacturing of high-end CNC machine tools and CNC systems in order to create benefits for customers and to create value for society. Relying on intelligent core technology with independent intellectual property, Going has been adhering to the high-end, stable, long-lasting, safe, and intelligent manufacturing road. Going focuses on the manufacture of intelligent equipment, including 5-axis machine tools, horizontal machine tools, vertical machine tools, gantry machine tools, linear motor high-speed machine tools, graphite machine tools, turning and milling machine tools, and automatic production lines. They are widely used in aviation, aerospace, automobile, new energy, medical, military, scientific research, and 3C high-end manufacturing industries. Going has been awarded the qualifications of Chinese and German trademarks. It is an innovative enterprise with the National High-Tech Enterprise certification. The company has independently developed dozens of patented machines, such as high-performance 5-axis CNC machine tools, spindle anti-collision devices, intelligent human-machine exchange systems, intelligent tool-setting control systems, integrated screw rod and motor-based structures, etc. Going strictly controls details to ensure performance and provides customers with professional technical products and overall solutions. Create quality with a superb craftsmanship to achieve a brilliant future. Going will continue to devote itself to intelligent manufacturing and is committed to the development of the intelligent manufacturing industry. Going will be happy to serve you.